As you all know, we have been continuously taking summer camps since past 3 years. Hello all, I'm Rekha. I'm a global educator. It's been 15 beautiful years I have spent into this teaching field, and I'm gonna be your child's summer facilitator. This summer, it's gonna be more exciting with added new course. Advanced Summer Robotics Camp comes with 3 levels. In the level 1, it's a blend of art and the electronics, where your kid is gonna perform art on the paper circuits. And inside, it's a very easy way to build the circuit, where your kid will get to know the basic components of electronics in a fun way. They also get a chance to build the STEM activities. So this book is entire contains STEM crafts. Level 2 comes with plug and play robotics kit. This is the kit which has all the components, which includes a bit higher level like resistors, capacitors, condensers, the buzzers. So your kid will know what exactly they are, and they're not gonna harm your kid because they are just like a Lego blocks. You can plug and play, and over 50 experiments can be performed over this kit. Level 3 comes with building up capstone projects like Advanced Robotics Summer Camp. Includes all the experiments related to the real life incidents. So when there is an overflow in the tank, this experiment gives you a light up and the sound from the buzzer. So then you could off the motor, thereby saving the water. So this is how all the experiments are related to the real life incidents. This is also the similar circuit built with the local components, but it can't be reused to make another circuit. But in the case of plug and play circuit, you can just remove and play like a Lego blocks and use the same circuit to construct another experiment. Hold on, I know what's your next question. Have this robotics levels, this robotics could help your kids' academics? Let me tell you, robotics involves a lot of troubleshooting, fixing the mistakes, thinking logically to construct the circuit. So this involves a lot of patience, which will help your kid in classroom to develop the patience and logical thinking. And after performing each and every circuit, they need to explain and relate it with the real life problems. That's how we are concentrating on speaking skills too. In this technology-driven world, your child may not be choosing engineering, but you all know AI and coding are the 21st century skills which will be used in any career they choose. So robotics will also help their future. Our Advanced Robotics Summer Camp has many hidden surprises for you all, my dear students. So right from 6 years to 13 years, students can join a summer camp. Each batch has 10 to 15 students, and the batch duration is for a couple of weeks. Every day you'll be having 3 continuous hours of training over the circuits. Well, the batch starts from April 1st to April 15 is the batch 1. April 16 to April 30, batch 2. May 1st to May 15, batch 3, and May 16 to May 30, batch 4. Parents, please book the slots before March 20th to avail many other free courses. To avail this opportunity, you just need to scan the code, fill the form, join our WhatsApp group, and our team will get in touch with you. Make sure you fill the form before March 20th to block the slots. Our artistic summer camp course includes clay molding, where they can create such beautiful things. We all know that a lot of fingertip activities will help the midbrain activation. It also has creation of your own storybook. Isn't this beautiful? Making clay molding, creating your own storybook, and sand art. So this kit comes with a base. It has a light inside and also comes with the sand. So your kid just need to perform the sand art like this. We can help in building their favorite scenery. So that's it. This is gonna be so simple.